Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the light lens bail on your oven. The reason why you would have to do this is because the bail is missing or damaged. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove we're going to be using in this demonstration. It's a GE. Now keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. We're going to open up our stove here. Now I'm going to take out the top rack just to give us a little bit more room in here. Now I'm going to take the light lens bail and I'm going to move that off to the side. As soon as I do that, it's going to release the lens here, so you want to have your hand up to catch that. You don't want that to fall to that glass. And then you can take out the bail itself here, like so. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement light lens bail. If you don't have one already, you can find it on an online store. And we'll set our bail back into place, like so. And now we can put the lens on and clip the bail up. There we go. And now you can close up your oven door and your repair is complete. I'm reading a horror story written in Braille. Something bad is about to happen. I can just feel it. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.